Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all my students are well, fine, and healthy. You are safe at home, and you must be helping your parents in doing different household work. Now, in the last class, we were studying about the parts of plant. As you know, the plant have two parts: shoot and root. The root is the part that is under the ground. There are types of root: the tap root and the fibrous root. Then the shoot. The shoot is the part which stays above the ground. It has the stem. Then it has the leaves. The leaves have different parts like leaf base, leaf stalk, blade or lamina. Then you have the flowers. Then you have the fruits and the seeds. The seeds are generally inside the fruits. And then the seeds are, whenever we eat the food, the seed is used to keep inside the soil to grow with proper care, water, air, and sunlight. The seed grows. This process is called germination. Most popular way, this is the most common way how the plants reproduce and become more trees and trees on the earth. So parts of plants are roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. The flowers turn into the flowers. Fruits, the fruits has seed inside it. A seed grows into a plant. Okay, now let's see some difficult words in the chapter. Come children, let's see the difficult words. The first word, germination. Number one, germination. 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 Then next is vegetable. 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 Then next is cauliflower. 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 Broccoli. 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 Then reproduction. Next is reproduction. 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 I Let's see the spelling again. Reproduction. Reproduction. Then lamina. 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 Lettuce. 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 Sugarcane. Sugarcane. Sugar cane. Watermelon. 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 Creepers. 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 Climbers. 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 Fibrous. 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 I hope you all have gone through the spelling with me. Just go through the chapter, read the chapter, go through the difficult words said by me. I again repeat some of the words: fibrous, then trunk, climbers, creepers, watermelon, sugarcane, lamina, cabbage, lettuce, coriander, reproduction, cauliflower, broccoli, vegetable, germination, sunlight. Okay, so now these all are the words that we need to learn for difficult words, and I hope you all will read the chapter. Till then, you study nicely, read the chapter, and learn the difficult words. Take care, children.